Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Ram 1500 Ecodiesel. First, gather your essential tools like a socket wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a suitable drain pan. Make sure you have about 10.5 quarts of new, approved Ecodiesel oil and a fresh oil filter. Finally, locate the oil drain plug on the pan and the oil filter housing. Now, let's drain the old oil. It's helpful to run your engine for a few minutes to warm the oil, making it flow more easily. Place your drain pan directly under the oil pan. Using your wrench, carefully remove the drain plug. Allow all the old oil to completely drain into the pan. This step ensures maximum removal of contaminants. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter housing. Install your new oil filter, ensuring the new O-rings are correctly seated and lubricated. Clean the drain plug, replace its washer, and then reinstall it firmly into the oil pan. Do not over-tight. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Carefully pour about 10.5 quarts of the recommended Ecodiesel oil into the engine's fill port. After filling, check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Start the engine briefly to circulate the oil, then recheck for any leaks around the filter and drain plug.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.